Hello everyone, today I will be doing an unboxing of our new data acquisition system, the alphaRS. It's a complete platform for conducting multi-channel electrophysiological recording and stimulation. So this is the alphaRS box. The first thing you see when you open it is the quick guide. After the quick guide, you will see the main unit, the alphaRS main unit. Try to take it from the sides and pull out the main unit. Once you remove the packaging foam, you will see the alphaRS accessories. These are the head stage cables, recording and stimulation. You will find the audio adapters, the head stages, the Ethernet cable, USB stick, and the power supply. So this is the alphaRS main unit where all the data integration and processing happens through an octa-core processor. The front side of the system, you have the power button, you have 8 head stage ports, and you have 2 audio output ports. From the back of the alphaRS system, there are 3 D-type connectors for the analog digital input-output. There's the Ethernet connector, there is the 12 volts power connector, and there is the isolated ground socket. We offer a variety of head stages that are ultra small in size and weight. The type of head stage found in the box depends on your specific order. Our head stages can record all types of electrophysiological signals, and some of the head stages also have integrated stimulation sources and sensors. As an example, over here we have 3 types of head stages. This is the 16-channel head stage, 32-channel head stage, and 64-channel head stage. The head stages come with Omnitex connector that are suitable for chronic and acute setup. So all the head stages digitize streamed signals, which minimizes interferences and artifacts, making the head stage suitable for FMA setup. To set up the system, we start with connecting one side of the cable to the head stage. Over here I have the recording only head stage, and over here I have the recording and stimulation head stage, and we connect the other side to the main unit. So once you've connected the head stages, we connect the Ethernet cable to the port from the back side, and the other side goes to your host computer. And we also connect the power supply. The alphaRS software is pre-installed if the host computer was purchased from Alpha Omega. Otherwise, the software needs to be installed using the alphaRS application found in the USB stick. For further instructions on the software interface and connectivity, follow the link in the description below.